everyone! Today we are going to learn future tense of informal polite style. We have to put 을 거예요 at the end of the stem verb. So for example, to buy. Do you know what is to buy in Korean? To buy. It is 사다. 사다. So if you want to say, I will buy a car, I will buy something, we say 사, and then we put 리을 살 거예요. To buy, I will buy 살 거예요. So this means I will buy. 살 거예요. 살 거예요. And I will to study. Do you know how to say to study in Korean? To study, it's 공부하다. 공부하다. Then how do we say I will study? 공부할 거예요. and then 할 거예요. And then I'm not sure if you're going to remember this, but to go, we've already learned this on our last video. Do you remember? To go? Yes, it's 가다. 가다. So 가, and then 갈 거예요. 갈 거예요. This means I'll go. So here you will see something very strange in Korean when you want to say I or you, the obvious subject. We don't really put subjects if we can know the subject inside of the context. So if you say, are you gonna buy this or not? 살 거예요, 말 거예요. We just don't put the subject in it. Next one, to come. To come. Do you remember what is to come in Korean? It is 오다. 오다. So if you want to say, I'll come. How do you say? 오, and then 올 거예요. 올 거예요. Then if we want to make it into a question, how do? We just change the intonation. 살 거예요? 살 거예요? Will you buy? Will you buy? 공부할 거예요? 공부할 거예요? Are you gonna study? 갈 거예요? Are you gonna go? And 올 거예요? 올 거예요? Are you gonna come? So this is how we can make the future tense in Korean, polite but informal way. So now let's make this into a simple sentence. So let's ask, what are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? So what are you going to do tomorrow? When you say this in Korean, first we have to put tomorrow. So tomorrow is 내일. 내일. Do you remember yesterday? Yesterday is 어제. Do you remember what is today? 오늘. So, 내일 is tomorrow. 어제 is yesterday. And 오늘 is today. Okay, 내일 뭐? When we say 뭐 means what? 뭐 means what? And then 할 거예요. 하다 means do. 하다 means to. And then 하다, we have to put it into 할 거예요. So 할 거예요. 내일 뭐 할 거예요? What are you going to do tomorrow? 내일 뭐 할 거예요? So let's say we are going to study. We are going to study. How do we say? Yes. 공부할 거예요. 공부할 거예요. If you want to make it a bit more complicated, you can say I'm going to study Korean. So how can you say I will study Korean? Here you put Korean. So 한국어 공부할 거예요. This is I'll study Korean. I'll study Korean. Next sentence. Let's see if you can make this sentence by yourself. Tomorrow I'm going to go to school. Tomorrow I'm going to go to school. How do you see it? Okay, that's good. 내일 school is 학교. 가다 and then 갈 거예요. 내일 학교 갈 거예요. Let's say you'll go to supermarket tomorrow. How do we say it? 내일 슈퍼 is supermarket. 슈퍼 갈 거예요. Good job. So now we are going to sum up all the tense, present tense, past tense, and the future tense. Okay, here 오늘 is today. 어제 means yesterday. 내일 means yes, tomorrow. So 오늘, let's say study. 오늘 공부해요. This is polite but casual way. 어제 공부. What should we put? 해 and then 요. For 내일 we say 공부 and then 할 거예요. So these are the different. This is to study. Then let's say we wanna to go. How does different? 오늘 가요. 어제 갔어요. And then 내일 갈 거예요. What else? To come. Do you remember to come? 오늘 와요. 오다 와요. 어제 왔어요. And then 내일 올 거예요. So today this part was the present tense, right? Present. And then here it was the past tense, yes. And then 내일 it was the future tense. So we're almost done with the tenses. On our next video, we are gonna learn I am doing something right now, the ing part for the next video. So thank you for watching my video today and hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye. Learn Korean with Kim.